All right, guys, we got you something special today. 2020 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Red Eye. You heard that right, Red Eye. So what we done on it? Still got all the factory stuff, converter here and there, factory X pipe, 2.5 or 3-inch pipe. Sorry, guys. And then we did a muffler delete, a mid muffler delete, or mid resonator delete. Depends on your flavor of the day, what you want to call it. We did that. We cut them off and put 3-inch pipe in their place. And then it's still got the valves on it, there and there. And it's still got the rear mufflers or rear resonators, there and there. With the black tips. As you guys can tell, it's all debadged, really nice. Comes from factory like that. There it is. That's how you get it done, guys. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like them. Don't forget to subscribe. How much of a difference just those things make? Woo! Challenger Hellcat Red Eye. Sound decibels again? Haha! 120. That's not bad at all. You cannot hear that sound. That's in regular eco. It was at 120. He's going to open it up for us. Now he's going to put it in track mode. Let's see the difference in sound. Oh, wow. That's a huge difference. Challenger Hellcat Red Eye 2020. You cannot beat that. Look at that sound. Look at that stance. Beautiful. There it is. Tell us what you guys think. Hopefully he'll get on it for us. All right, guys, we got you guys something nice. 2021 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Nice olive green. There's that badge. There she is. Hemi. So there's the stock converters there and there. Then wise into an X pipe. Not wise. Goes into an X pipe. 2.5-inch all the way back. Then we got these beautiful Black Widows right there, right there. Part number WIDBWAHW25-P, as in Peter. Anyways, if you guys want it, we'll have a link in the description for you guys. They are right there. Then you always want to leave the valves in unless you get them deleted. They sell special programming for that tune, you know. And then we did a rear muffler delete or resonator delete, whatever you want to call it, into his factory tips. They came out nice already on it, so we didn't change them. He might come back later on and we'll change them. SRT. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. That's nice. Angry housewife, babe. She sounds angry. I think she's angry. Black Widow, Race Venoms, Angry Housewife. There's 118. Hellcat. He brought in his wife a week ago, and now they brought this one in. That sounds awesome. It's so smooth. If you guys want just mean without no raspiness, go with the Angry Housewife. Let you guys hear on the inside. Guys, they come in pairs. So we got two Hellcats, a 2021 and a 2018 Challenger and Charger. One's getting CARVEN, ours. The other one is getting straight pipe. We're gonna do a challenge on this one for you guys. I want to see what you guys think. Which one sounds better, the straight pipe on it, or we had angry housewives, black widows on it. So I'm gonna do a comparison video for that and see what you guys think. This is what it sounds like with straight pipes now. Tim, 1 second. Better? See, he likes it now. No more neighbor haters. Again? It's right at 120 now. Are you happy now? So you guys like this better or the angry housewife? It was really clean black widow sound. You guys can see it's really loud. Let you guys hear on the inside. He said he's gonna go slow. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. He's gonna take off like a grandpa. I think he is a grandpa. Let's see. Yeah, I think he's happy now. You can still hear. 2018 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Really beautiful car. What we got done on it, something special. There's the converter, still stock. Then it's got a factory X pipe right there. Then we did some CARVEN exhaust. Part number CVNCVESR30. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. A set. CARVEN R Series performance mufflers. There they are. Really beautiful. Right there and right there. I like it. And then he had another muffler shop do a muffler delete on it. Rear resonator muffler. And put quad tips right there. I'm going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. We let the demons out. Hopefully soon. There it is. Told you. I like it. You see what I'm talking about? None of them sound like it. Your sound decibels, go ahead. Damn. This is the two mid mufflers or resonators we took out. One more time. Nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. deserves a beast mode. 2020 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Beast. Really nice color. I like this color on these. I love the new colors they come out with. It's a 2020. Got factory converters, less than 5,000 miles on it. Then he said, I'm gonna bring it to the pros at Exhaust Addicts. So this is what we got done for him. We got some new race bullets in. They're called DYNOMAX race bullets. 24249. Sorry, 24249s. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Race bullets, 6.5 inches long. Be a link in the description for them. So you got to add 3-inch pipe to them on each side, as you guys can see there and there. And then we did a rear muffler delete on there and there, and did quad tips black there and right there. As you guys can see, we cut the resonators off, we cut the mufflers off. They're over there. It just came out really nice, really beautiful. They're really excited to hear it, so I'm not going to talk too much. That's how you guys get it done. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. That's it. I love it. Wow, that sounds neat. Look at it breathe. I don't think it's even in sport mode either. Hey, put it in. I'll have you put it in sport mode when we back it out. There's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 122, bro. Sounds good. Hey, bro, you gotta go beast mode. You know what? Right? Yeah. This sounds so big. Let you guys hear on the inside. Let's see what he does. Running out of gravel. Look, we're gonna get this repaved. We have to. There's no way around it.